Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm here in Chiang Mai right now and I'm headed to Luang Prabang, which is in Laos, and I'm taking the slow boat there, which takes roughly 3 days. I start here in Chiang Mai and then I'm taking a bus to Chiang Rai, where I'm getting another bus to Chiang Kong, staying a night in Chiang Kong, then going over to Hoi Soi in the morning, catching the boat from Hoi Soi, then headed down to Pak Beng, staying a night in Pak Beng, which is in Laos, and then headed off to Luang Prabang. Each boat trip takes about 8 or 9 hours and 3 days roughly travel from Chiang Mai, including the bus rides. I already had a little bit of a hiccup this morning. I tried to get off a little bit earlier, got here at the bus station at 10:30 to try and catch an earlier bus to Chiang Rai and then to Chiang Kong, but all the buses were booked until 3:45. You can actually go directly to Chiang Kong from Chiang Mai, but that bus was booked already as well. So I was kind of screwed. Now I have to sit here at the bus station for a couple hours, which kind of sucks because I wanted to see some scenery on the way, and it's probably going to be dark before I get to Chiang Kong. So not really a good start, but one thing you should keep in mind when you're traveling, especially during the busy season, it's December right now, is that buses fill up quick. Same with trains. I found that when I came here from Bangkok to Chiang Mai, the trains, buses, a lot of things were booked. Plan in advance your travel. I'm not so good at that, but as you can see now, it's kind of screwed me. I plan on documenting the whole journey so you can learn from my mistakes. This one being the first one. I know there's a lot of information out there on how to do this route. I read a lot of blogs, watched a lot of videos, and there seems to be a lot of different ways you can approach it. There's package tours, there's deluxe tours, the basic, but I'm not going through a tour group. I'm just kind of winging it by myself, and I think that's the cheapest way to do it. And I already arranged my hotels by myself in the different cities. I know if you do a package tour, they arrange food, accommodations, transportation to and from the boat. So that could be easier for a lot of people, but I just chose to wing it, and hopefully it doesn't bite me in the ass. It's about 8 p.m. I'm here in Chiang Rai now. Unfortunately, I can't continue any further to Chiang Kong because all the buses stopped going there at 6 p.m. So I'm kind of screwed, and I have to stay here overnight, and I'm going to catch the earliest bus tomorrow morning. It's kind of a pretty big hiccup in my plans because I planned on leaving Chiang Mai relatively early in the morning to make it all the way to Chiang Kong. But unfortunately, all the buses were booked, and all I could get was the 3:45 p.m. bus out of Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai, Chiang Kong, they get very confusing. But anyways, it was 160 baht, and the bus ride was actually pretty nice. There was a lot of really, really beautiful scenery along the way. You go through some mountains, you go through some rice paddy fields and a couple small little towns. It got pretty dark by the time we came into Chiang Rai, so I didn't really see too much coming into the city. So if you can catch it during the day, it's actually not too bad. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to take the first bus out of here, and I'm going to go to Chiang Kong at 6 a.m. I got a cheap hotel room at the bus station. The bus station is literally right there for 600 baht, which is pretty good. It's like 20 bucks. So I'm going to chill here the night. There's a little outside market area, probably go walk around there, check it out. I won't be able to see too much of Chiang Rai, at least it's better than nothing. The vibe is really chill here, and did I mention that it's cold? Definitely wear a sweatshirt. A little CCR. It's like the land of tchotchkes. So I'm now at Hoi Soi. I just bought my ticket for my trip down to Luang Prabang, which is going to take 2 days. The ticket was about $30. Getting here from Chiang Mai was not too hard. Took a rickety red bus here. Took about a couple hours. It was like 65 baht. One thing they tried to do was they tried to tell me that if I paid 100 baht, they would take me straight to the Lao border, but it's a scam. Don't do that. Other people did it and everybody gets dropped off at the same point, so don't fall for that scam. I didn't pay for it. Getting through customs took a long time. There's a couple things you need. You need to have your photo, and you're gonna pay $35 US. It's better to pay cash, US dollar cash. That's what I've heard. That's what I did. So I heard it was cheaper, but my boat is leaving at 11:30 and it's about 11 right now. So I'm just getting ready to head out in 30 minutes. From what I heard, there's not a lot of food on there, so it's best to stock up. There's a little store at the little station here, if you can call it a station. It's just pretty much a beach with a bunch of boats and 2 little restaurants and a ticket stand, so it's not really much, as you can see. But this is where we're gonna head out, down to BENG. Yes, BENG, which is our first stop. And I think we should get there in roughly 7 to 8 hours. You never really know though, so I guess we'll get there when we get there. Next stop, BENG. Morning, everybody. It's about 7 in the morning here. We're in BENG, which is on the mighty Mekong River. We stayed here last night. We got in around 6:37. It was just getting dark, so I didn't really get to see too much of the city. I walked around at night and got some dinner, but that was pretty much it. It's a sleepy little town that I think probably just subsists off travelers coming through on the river. We're about to hit the river in a little bit. I'm not sure exactly what time we have to get going. I think it's around 9, so I should probably double check that. But had a nice little ride down here. I mean, getting here wasn't too bad. It took 8 or 9 hours just floating down the river, drinking some beers. It was pretty chill, actually. It really was not uncomfortable. I had the whole seat to myself. I had the whole row to myself, so you could lie down. It really wasn't bad at all. Definitely beats the bus. This morning I felt a little crappy because it was really cold. All I brought on this trip was this little sweatshirt, so I definitely advise bringing more warm clothing because it's way colder than I thought it would be here, especially in December. But I got up, went across the street to a little cafe, got an excellent cup of coffee, and now I feel a million times better. So I'm ready to hit the water and head on down the river and hopefully get to Luang Prabang in 9 hours.
That's the anthem, get your damn hands up. A to the Izzo, B to the insane. Shizzle my nizzle, the triple down in VA. A to the Izzo, B to the insane. Shizzle my nizzle, the triple down in VA. A to the Izzo, B to the insane. H to the Izzo, H to the Izzo. Haters want me clapped and chrome, it ain't easy. Haters want me clapped and chrome, it ain't easy. Show them how to move in a room full of vultures. Industry shady, you need to be taken over. Label owners hate me, I'm raising the status quo up. Pay us like you owe us for all the years that you hold us.